Today I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Strava. So I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my phone. Once the app is open and loaded, I'm heading down to the bottom navigation bar where I can see several options. From there, I'm tapping on the U section. This takes me to my personal profile area where I can view and manage all my activity data and settings. Now that I'm on my profile screen, I'm looking at the top of the page where there are a few tabs available. I'm going to tap on activities because this is where all my recorded workouts and exercises are stored. This section shows me a complete list of everything I've logged, and it's the place I need to be to add any media to a specific activity. At this point, I'm scrolling through my list of activities to find the one where I want to upload a video. Once I locate the right activity, I'm tapping on it to open up the full details page. This gives me access to all the information about that particular workout, including the route, stats, and any media that's already been added. Once I'm inside the activity, I'm looking up at the upper right corner of the screen. There I can see a three-dot menu icon, and I'm tapping on that to open up additional options. A menu appears with several choices, and I'm selecting Add Media from the list. This option allows me to attach photos or videos directly to this activity, which is exactly what I need. Now my phone's gallery opens up and I can see all the videos and photos stored on my device. I'm scrolling through until I find the specific video I want to upload. Once I've located it, I'm tapping on the video to select it. After selecting it, I'm tapping Done to confirm my choice. This tells Strava that I'm ready to proceed with uploading this video to the activity. At this point, the upload process begins. I'm just waiting here while the video uploads to Strava's servers. Depending on the size of the video and my internet connection speed, this can take a little while. So I'm not rushing anything or closing the app, I'm just letting it process in the background until it's completely finished. It's important to be patient here because interrupting the upload could cause it to fail. Once the upload is complete, I can see the video has been successfully attached to the activity. Now I'm looking for the Save Activity button and I'm tapping on it to finalize everything. This saves the activity along with the newly uploaded video, making sure that everything is stored properly and visible to anyone who views this activity depending on my privacy settings. And that's it. I opened Strava, went to the Use section, tapped Activities, selected the activity where I wanted to add media, used the three-dot menu to choose Add Media, selected my video, waited for it to upload, and then saved the activity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.